Is your cat kinda dumb? Does he think that plastic's gum? I think he chases ghosts, but who the hell knows? Every time I try to pet him, he thinks I'm gonna kill him. Is your cat kinda...
I have been stalking an insect on the wall for the past 3 days now. All of my attempts to capture it have been thwarted. However, today, on further inspection, I found out that the insect was in fact a thumbtack. There is no logic in this place.
Okay, so people are doing this thing where they're giving eggs to dogs because apparently they know how gentle it is and the egg won't break. So I'm going to try this with Dak and see what he does.
Gerald, come in, baby. Jabber. Stay. No.
Batman, show us the sploot.
Hey Milo, come here. I have something to tell you. So, the vet says you're overweight, which means you're going on a diet.
Dear Diary, it has been 40 minutes since I was abducted from my sleeping corner. This tiny human has taken me prisoner and I am being held against my will. I will remain calm and docile for the time, though I fear I will become alive with rage.
How to let your cat know that you love them. First, scratch their forehead. Then, gently scratch their chin. Now they know you love them.
What do you want? Oh, Nala.
Hey Milo, there's something serious I need to tell you. You're adopted.
His paws? Adorable. His ears? Adorable. His tail? Adorable. His face? Adorable.
Bro, wake the fuck up, my nigga. You can't be sleeping on the job, my nigga. Stop. What? Was that back talk, my... Bro, wake up. That big ass... Wake up!
That's right.